first to do it right. You know, there's a lot of talk about some ideas as being done before. You know, a lot of people are discouraged by others who say, "Oh, your idea is fine, but it's been done before."
Yeah.
I think that's a misunderstanding. You know, the question is not whether it's been done before. It's whether it's been done before right. And what I mean by that is there's a lot of ideas that have been implemented in some ways, but the people who have implemented it aren't actually doing it right. So if you take search, for example, Google wasn't the first to come out on the search scene. You had Alta Vista, you had Yahoo at the time, but Google was the first to do it right. You take then search engine, so social networks. If we move from there, Facebook wasn't actually the first social network. There was Hi5, there was Friends Reunited, there was Friendster, there was even MySpace. But when Facebook showed up on the scene, they were the first to do it right. So the question isn't necessarily to be the first, but it's be the first to do it right.